Crispy noodle pancake topped with a delicious shrimp and chicken stir fry. This is my crispy noodles Hong Kong style. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make my version of Hong Kong crispy noodles with chicken and shrimp. And this starts with the noodles, so let's show you how to do this. Right guys, what we want to do, we want to go in a pan with a little bit of oil. Now we don't want too much. Now you use any oil that you want. I'm using rice bran oil today. And then we want to get a heat on. Get the flame on there, get some heat in the pan. But we really don't want to have this too hot. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take our noodles and we're going to put them in the pan and we're going to fry them. Now when we put them in, we don't want to be turning them too quickly. Okay, our oil's looking hot enough. Now, we do want to fry these, but we do not want to burn them. So what we need to do is get like a bit of a pancake with our noodles. So in with our noodles. Now we don't want to mess with these too much guys, okay? We need to crisp these on the bottom before we turn it over. Now I don't have very much oil in there, as you can see. Now hopefully there will be enough oil. If there's not enough oil when you're frying your noodles, just put a little bit more in. Come down from the top of the pan as it comes in. So this is a nice, steady, gentle fry because we don't want to burn this. We're just trying to crisp the underneath of the noodles and then we'll turn it over. So we're cooking off the noodles first guys because this is going to be our base and it doesn't matter if this goes cold. You know, we're going to put our stir fry on top of this in a little bit of a stir fry sauce. So that's absolutely fine. Then that means our noodles will retain the crunch when we put the stir fry on. Okay guys, just have a quick look underneath. Oh yes. What we need to do now is turn these over. And turn over your noodles nice and gently and cook the other side. Now this should crisp up quite firm now. And then we'll have that nice crispy pancake. Right guys, we need to be turning this again. So turn this over and crisp up the other side a little bit more. And then we'll have the perfect crispy noodle pancake base. Right, what we're going to do to keep this crispy guys, we've got a bit of a trivet here. We're going to put our noodles on top of there so the air can circulate around it and keep it crispy. So get that out of there. Oh. Just let some oil drain off. We don't need all that oil obviously. And then put our pancake, noodle pancake, on there to settle and stay crisp whilst we do the rest of our ingredients. So just put that to one side. Just give the wok a wipe out. That's what we're going to do guys. We're going to actually quickly blanch. Now you can stir fry everything in one go if you so wish. But I prefer to blanch my chicken and my shrimp. And then what we need to do is get a flame on, go in with some water, a little touch of soy sauce, and then what we'll do, we'll go in with our chicken first. And all we're going to do is blanch this for about a minute, take it out, cooked. So get our water to boiling then, and then what we want to do is go in with our chicken, and all we're going to do is blanch cook this. Okay, now if your chicken was quite cool like mine, Just wait for the water temperature to come back up again. There we go. Nice blanch cook, it doesn't take that long. And what we'll do, guys, we'll put everything in the same bowl because it's already pre-cooked. There we go, guys. Get our chicken out of there. That's our chicken, pre-cooked. So in our bowl, just keep it to one side. And then what we want to do then is we want to go in with our shrimp. So in with our shrimp. Now I've already cleaned and deveined this. There's a link on the channel to show you how to do it, guys. So get it back up to boiling. Now shrimp don't take that long to cook actually. We don't want to be cooking this too long because it'll end up rubbery. And that's it, guys. Off with the heat. Get our shrimp out. There's our shrimp. Perfect. In the bowl with our chicken. Don't forget, all this is already cooked. And all we need to do is drain this pan and we'll make a stir-fry sauce. We want to make a bit of a stir-fry sauce. So now this is going to be very quickly. We could add it all. Tablespoon this, but just chuck it all in a bowl, mix it all up, and then we'll chuck it all in the wok, okay? So let's do this. So what we got 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Tablespoon of sourcing wine. One tablespoon of soy sauce. We want to add about 1 cup of water. We get that in there. Let's give this a little bit of a stir in. About half a tablespoon of sugar. And we want a little shake of white pepper in there, guys. So we get some white pepper in, and we'll shake a little bit more in when we do the stir fry. And that is our stir fry sauce made. Now we might not use all that because there is quite a lot. So let's crack on with the stir fry. Okay, guys, in with a little bit of oil. Now we don't want too much. In with our garlic. In with our onions. Now, this is a nice steady stir fry, guys. We don't need to be going absolutely bananas on this. Okay? So we're only cooking for aroma, no colour as such. Nothing brown, nothing burnt. So control your heat. And then in with our ginger. And in with our carrots, because our carrots are quite hard. So get your carrots in there. Now this wants to be a nice little stir fry. Stir it round. Now guys, you can go in any order now. You know, we've already pre-cooked this. So you can go in with your shrimp or chicken, or you can go in with a little bit of your stir fry sauce. I'm going to put a little bit of stir fry sauce in there. Okay, just get that going. Bring it up to temperature a little bit, and then I'm going to add the chicken and shrimp. So like I say, you can do this any which way around that you want. Now don't forget, our shrimp and chicken is already pre-cooked. So in we go. Fantastic. And then we want to be going in with our greens, and this is our baby pak choy. Just get that in there. Nice little turnover. Nothing hard about this. Now pak choi doesn't need cooking that long, so this is why the pak choi is gone in towards the end. Oh, it looks absolutely fabulous. Right guys, if you want a little bit of colour in there, go in with a little bit of dark soy sauce. There we go. Absolutely perfect. Okay, and then what we need to do, we need to thicken our sauce up. So in with a bit of cornstarch, guys. Probably about that much actually. And then all we need to do is just stir till it thickens. Just go in with a little drizzle of sesame oil. And the sesame oil with the noodles is going to give it that little nutty flavour. Oh, just look at that crunch. Oh wow. Perfectly crunchy noodles. Soft juicy chicken. Crunchy vegetables. And succulent shrimp. With an Asian flavour and an underlying hint of ginger. It is absolutely fantastic. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, excuse me, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll catch you next time.